Hi and welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I am sure and I am confident you will find it useful. We have another hand-selected fine example of a Range Rover product to bring to market and show you around and demonstrate some of the features. Sat in front of us here we have the Corris Grey Metallic Range Rover Velar D300 R-Dynamic HSE. You cannot get much more higher in trim level or spec than this absolutely beautiful piece of machinery. Now I have mentioned the Corris Grey Metallic paint, the R-Dynamic HSE, so you couldn't get a core HSE, but the R-Dynamic adds a bit more of aesthetics to the car, including the bonnet and side vents, the front splitter and copper vents at the bottom of the vehicle. And I'm yet to get started on all the additional specification. Now, one that I must point out, which you can't see, but as this is the 300 engine, the 3-litre diesel, your air suspension is as standard, making this an absolute pleasure to drive, extremely comfortable, and it has also got the terrain response, so you can change the mode for what, depending on what service you're driving on. Specification: we do have 3-stage electric memory seats for both driver and passenger, as well as the upgraded Meridian surround sound system. I'm sure you will have noticed the stunning light ivory or cirrus interior, which really does complement the car very well. And we can't leave out the sliding glass panoramic roof there. We're not yet finished though. So this 2019 plate has only covered just 7,933 miles. Here we have the Touch Pro Duo system kicking into action. And again, because we're at the R-Dynamic HSE, once we get started and loaded up, another few standard features do also include the lights of the reversing camera there.
To discover the joy.
Just turn that down. If we go to the seats, not only do you have the heated function, but we also have the massage function, again for driver and passenger. The full digital display cockpit. The car really is a fine example, arguably the best spec with the best engine, and it has been extremely well looked after. So I would just like to take the opportunity once again for thanking you for the inquiry and thanking you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that's given you a good idea for the vehicle. It is one not to be missed. So thank you for watching.